Number 2. Two funds, A and B, start with the same amount. Fund A grows at an annual interest rate of I for n years, and at an annual interest rate of J for the next n years. Now, Fund B grows at an annual interest rate of K for 2n years. Fund A equals 1.5 times Fund B after n years. The amount in the two funds are equal after 2n years. Now, which of the following identities are true? So let's start this question by writing down what we actually know. So first of all, we know that 1 plus I to the power of n times 1 plus j to the power of n, which is all Fund A, will equal Fund B, which is 1 plus k after 2n years. We also know that 1 plus I to the power of n will equal to 1.5 times Fund B after n years. So let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. What's going to help us out quickly is by dividing equation 1 by equation 2, and it's going to help us discover a new identity. So quickly we can see that some terms will cancel each other out, and you're left with 1 plus j to the power of n, which would equal to 2 over 3 1 plus k to the power of n. Quickly, by solving for j, we figure out that j equals 2/3 to the power of 1 over n times 1 plus k minus 1. And this essentially proves equation number 3 to be false. Next up, as previously discussed, we know that 1 plus I to the power of n equals 1.5 times Fund B after n years. Well, this essentially tells us that I is greater than k. We also know that 1 plus j after n years will equal to 2/3 Fund B after n years. This tells us that j is actually smaller than k, therefore proving identity number 1 to be true. Lastly, so 1 plus k actually equals the square root of 1 plus j and 1 plus I. So this is the geometric mean of 1 plus I and 1 plus j. But we know that the geometric mean is less than the arithmetic mean, and the arithmetic mean is 1 plus k equals 1/2 1 plus j plus 1 plus I. So because we know that, this simply tells us that k is actually smaller than I plus j put together. So essentially the arithmetic mean of the two. Therefore, proving number 2 to be true.